I used to say my prayers without feeling. I kinda didn't worry about the things I couldn't understand. I kinda didn't know anything about hurting and healing. When I was young, I still didn't believe I'd ever be a man. What they see, think about that. What do they think about me? How they think about me? Think about me. How they think about me? How they think about me? Never breaks the sea. Set up in a barroom corner, playing for tips and beer. People carrying on and drinking. You got a strain to hear. See them play on some old cheap guitar, but he can play on pots and pans. He never heard a soul so pure and true, flowing right out of his hand. And he can sing sweet as a choir girl, and he can sing a house on fire. See them calling up the angels. He's a breeze for the telephone line. You ask him how he sings his blues so well. He said, I got a soul that I want to sell. I got a soul that I want to sell. I got a soul that I want to sell. And I want to leave those stars from hell. he sings his blues so good. He said, I got a soul that I'm gonna sell. I got a soul that I'm gonna sell. I got a soul that I'm gonna sell. I got a soul that I wanna sell. That's how I sing my blues so well. And I'm on those stars. I don't sit on the edge of this never laid bed. Oh, guitar in my lap, a new tune in my head. There she stands in the doorway, just brushing her hair. It's my beautiful muse in her underwear. Where the music is so guitar. Times like these, so sweet and so true. And thinking is the last thing that you are. I'll sit on the end of this dirty old bar, trying to work some things out, not getting too far. I'm drowning out the voices that are keeping me down. There's a muse all alone on the other side of town. And if I was thinking, I'd be thinking that whoever you are, pour out a whiskey in this dirty old bar. Times like these, so sad and so true. Thinking the last thing that you want to do. I think it's the last thing that you want to do. I sit on the bed in this hospital